Bring your hand.
Give me!
Bring your hand.
Give me! No!
Open your hand.
Leave me alone! Leave me! Leave me alone! Leave me! Leave me!
What is going on here?
Oh, Angela left these pills in the car yesterday.
When I drove her to the supermarket, I told her to come take it back, but she refused, telling me to throw it in the trash.
It's a lie. Why are you lying? This drugs doesn't belong to me. Why is everyone accusing me of drugs I know nothing about?
Angela, this is should be some abortion liars. They're just lying against you. They don't know what they're saying.
Uncle, please, you have to believe me. Auntie and the driver planned this.
Auntie, what? Is something wrong with you? Who the hell is your auntie? No, do we look like, are you sick?
Baby, calm down. Angela, you still look me in the eyes and lie to me. That reminds me, you know how my wife continuously complaining of how you appear in her dreams, trying to hurt our baby.
But I told you this girl was a witch. She is a witch. Still a witch. I told you.
I'm seeing you with an abortion pills. What is going on? What have we done to you to deserve all this? Is this how you're going to pay me back for everything that I've done for you? Pay me back good with bad?
Uncle, please, he's lying. You have to believe me.
Who is lying? No, who the hell is lying? One more word from you and I will beat you hanky-panky. No, it belongs to me.
No, I don't know.
You know what? I'm waiting for you in the car. Just take care of your mess.
I told her to come take it, but she refused, telling me to throw it in the trash.
Why are you lying? It's a lie, Uncle, please. Uncle.
Come here, pick this, pick it, pick it.
Pick
this quick now! Come here!
Uncle.
Stubborn girl.
Let him buy a catapapa. Shekayalabo. You spirit of darkness, I command you. Come out of her. You evil spirit. Come out of her now. Come out of her. Lekaya papa papa. Come out of her. You evil spirit. Come out of her. You spirit of darkness. I command you. Come out of her. Come out of her. Leave her now. You spirit of darkness. I say come out. Come out. Oh, you're stubborn. You're stubborn. You are stubborn. You are stubborn. Okay. Wait for Holy Ghost Koboko. Holy Ghost Koboko. Wait for Holy Ghost Koboko. Holy Ghost Koboko. Ikaya tapasete reboshete hikaraba. Holy Ghost Koboko. Holy Ghost Koboko.
Stop it.
What is this? What, prophet? What was it? What have you done?
Stop it.
Be calm, young man. What have you done? Prophet, calm down, young man. The demons have just left.
They just left. They just exited her body. That's how they behave when they want to leave the demon's body.
So this is how demons live?
Yes, baby, you have to believe me. That's how they leave.
I can take my leave now.
Yes, prophet. Don't push you. Do you know how many demons that are leaving this body? You can't do that. Someone out of experience is telling you that this is the way they behave when the demons want to leave one's body. Please, let's go before you get infected.
Are you sure about it?
Baby, let's go.
She can't.
Hey! Whoosh! Come back here. Where do you think you're going to?
I'm going to school.
You're going to where?
School.
You're going to school. Are you done with the pile of clothes that I brought out for you to wash? What happened to them?
I can't do that now. When I
Who the hell are you to tell me what you can do and what you cannot do? Are you sick of the head? Now take yourself inside and wash those clothes.
Honey, please take it easy on her. She's late from going to school. I'm sure she can do this thing when she returns.
Yes,
when she returns, honey. Honey, you know what? Take your mouth off this. Do not interfere. That girl is going to be somebody's wife tomorrow. Now go in there and wash those things.
Please, if I get to school late, they'll punish me.
Then you wake up by 3 a.m. Do you understand me? Because you have to do your house chores before going to school. Now move. Move it. Move it. Will I move before I move you like a rag against a football? Are you crazy?
Oh, it's alright, Angela. She's not a stranger, she's my wife, my beautiful wife, Sheila. Go on. Say your greetings to her.
You're welcome, Ma.
No, it's okay, baby. I mean, it's okay for her to take her time. For someone that just lost her mother, it's going to take some time for her to really adjust to welcoming people. So it's fine if she's not okay with my visit.
You're welcome once again.
Thank you. I can understand what you've been through for this short period of time. But I want to assure you something. That over there in the city, I will make sure you have the best life. I'll make sure you don't really miss your mother that much. I mean, look around you. There's nothing here for you. Seriously. You can't continue like this.
Yeah, Angela. My wife is saying the right thing. She's right. We know how much your mom loves you and how close both of you are before she died. I'm promising you that we will end at nothing but to make sure that we take care of you and you are not lonely. Okay?
Thank you, but I don't think anyone could replace my mother.
No. Nobody's replacing your mother. No, of course it's not possible. Nobody can ever replace your mother. Your mother will always have your heart. What we're trying to say, I mean, what I am trying to say is that I just want to take you out of here so you stop crying all the time and being lonely. Give you a better life. That's just what I'm saying. Please.
Thanks for your kind words.
You're welcome. Are you okay?
What is it? Angela?
Are you okay?
Hold on, is that all?
Yes, that's all.
Why do you have with you such small amount of clothes?
Well, there's no need me taking a lot of clothes when I know I'll be back in a few days.
I guess you misunderstood what I said.
Exactly.
We are not going on a short trip. Okay? You're going with us to Lagos and you're not coming back here anytime soon. There'll be no reason for you to return back to this village.
Into the city.
Yes, to the city, honey. Where you're gonna have a good and a better life just like every other kids out there. Okay, you know what? I could just help.
Oh, it's fine. Go in there and get the rest of your stuff. So you're moving with us to...
What a mess. This is what I will have to deal with. It's so exhausting playing nice and new, mommy. God. I don't think I can deal with this village little fool for long. I just can't.
And you can get to the car.
Yeah.
Angela, hurry up.
I'm sure you know how to cook, right?
Yes, ma. I can cook very well.
Wonderful. We had a very long journey. Maybe you should make something very nice for us since we had a very long trip. What do you think, baby?
I know we can't wait to have a taste of what she prepares.
Of course.
But you need to consider the fact that we're just coming back from a long travel, so she needs to rest. Okay? So just go into the kitchen and make something for us to eat.
Really?
Yeah.
You're right, baby. So I will go inside, take my bath, freshen up, and chill on the bed, waiting for you. I'll give myself time to rest too. I'll be chilling on top of the bed, waiting for you to come. What 3 days back?
Angela. What can I do to help you? I'm in great pain too. Just lost my only sibling. And cheering her daughter up seems to be the only thing that I can do to make the dead feel at rest.
Do you think she's going to rest? After all the pain she felt while she was still alive, do you think all the pains will go?
Yes, I know she's no longer in pain. She moves around freely and she's watching over us. I know you cannot see her, but if you look deep into yourself, I'm sure you can feel her.
No, sometimes I just wished I left this world with her. I followed her, but she won't like it.
Come on, don't say that. The thought of that will even make her feel more restless wherever she is. Listen to me, Angela. The bitterness, the emptiness you feel will not last forever. I need you to know that I'm here for you, and I will end at nothing but to make sure that your dreams come true.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, let's go downstairs so you can eat something. Remember, we do not want your mother to be restless wherever she is. So you need to eat something. Okay? Let's go.
tap would have just woken me.
You're lucky I did not just wake you up with a very hot slap. Or better still, with a drum of slaps. You're sick in the head. You must be thinking you're some princess in some Buckingham Palace, don't you? Get your tacky-wacky ass up. Look at you. Acting all fragile, so soft. But when given an opportunity, you'll fly as high as a bird. Get down!
I don't understand what you're saying.
Of course you will not understand because I know you're just faking this. And that's why I had to come wake you up in my own way. Now get up!
What do you want me to do for you?
What do I want you to do for me? The question is, what wouldn't you do? You're supposed to be doing the house chores. Yes, you wash the clothes, you do the dishes, you cook. You sweep, don't you know how to sweep? Or better still, you go and join your dead mother in the grave so I stop seeing your tacky face. Get up! Didn't you hear me? Didn't you hear me? Get down. Move it! Move it! Let's come back here. I said you should. I don't break. Just break it.
I'm glad you're here to join me. Dear God, keep her face dried from tears. Let her be able to accept this house as her home.
Uncle, you don't have to worry. Like you said, I should take my time, that I will be fine. With time, Uncle, I'll accept this place as my home.
How is that even possible? I almost believe that you had my mind. That was exactly my thoughts.
Yes, Uncle, I know. I heard your mind. I can read thoughts.
Listen, you must be extremely funny. You almost had me there. Listen, that was nicely played.
Uncle, but I'm not joking.
You're not joking. You know the funny thing about when you're joking is that you still keep and maintain that mean face. And it looks good on you. You're definitely going to be a very nice actress and well spoken as well. Well, I can see that your sense of humor is intact now. And you're getting comfortable around the house. So that's a good thing. I really do like that fact. Well, feel comfortable. And if you need anything, do not hesitate to let me know.
Okay, sir.
Just look at the way she's eating. I cannot believe she's adjusting quite well. Am I making her comfortable? Or maybe I am too easy on her. It's time to gradually show her that she is in hell.
I was eating that.
And so what?
Do you want to have it?
Now the question should be, aren't you tired of being hungry? Do you even deserve to eat this food? Because you are one lanky, wacky, lazy ass. You don't deserve to eat this food.
How? I don't understand. Is there anything you want me to do that I haven't done?
Yes! All out! The whole clothes and the wardrobe, even the ones in the box. Your uncle's clothes and my clothes. You've not washed them.
Okay. What about the cleaning lady? If I do all those things, is she going...
Is that supposed to be a question for me? Have you lost it? Huh? No, is that question supposed to be for me? I can see I've given you enough freedom in this house. You don't have enough leverage to talk back at me. Listen, I will start with reducing the amount of food that I give you. That way you receive sense. You know what they say? Too much food makes kids lack what they call initiatives. Cankerworm, swine. And here drinking hot water, like your mother in the grave gave you this. Cankerworm, swine, bastard. You should have come on. Come on.
best that she hates her. So no secret, no secret. She has it all. So no secret, no secret. Cause she knows what you're thinking. No secret, no secret. She can hear your thoughts. Oh, she's a gifted child.
How is it been?
It was okay. Honey, why is Angela doing the washing? Where is the domestic staff assigned for that duty?
Well, I fired them.
Why? We hired that domestic staff in the first place because we know how bulky this task is. So how come you are now allowing only Angela to do the washing?
I don't understand. I mean, of what use is Angela in the house? We have someone who stays in the house 24/7. And you expect me to keep other staff so I could be paying them. What is she doing? I don't understand. Of what use are her hands?
Honey, are you saying that we're not stressing her? I mean, look at the clothes that she's washing.
Stressing
It's
who,
too
for
heavy.
goodness sake? Why are you treating this girl like some princess in some Buckingham Palace? Are you joking right now?
What I'm saying is that she should at least use the washing machine. Instead of using her hands to wash.
For what? For what? Why should she use the washing machine? Why? I don't understand it. You just came back and the first thing you want to tell me is princess. What is it? What is it about this princess? You know, I'm beginning to think that I'm suddenly married to a pedophile. Is this supposed to be your child? Or am I suddenly married to a pedophile?
Honey, what I'm saying is that she could just use the washing machine.
For what? I mean, in what essence? Maybe this girl is used to suffering. Back in the village, I'm sure when she was with her poverty-stricken mother, she splits the wood. She goes to the farm. She does all sort of jobs. This one are just menial, are just normal jobs for her. Why are you complaining? You just come back and hear you are complaining. Damn! Why does it have to be all about this girl all the time? Why? And you, I'm sure you're happy, fucking happy.
Please take Angela to school. I have a meeting I need to attend to now, and I'm already running late. Okay?
Why do I have to do that? I mean, she's used to poverty. She's used to trekking. Don't you trek in the village? You should learn how to trek in the city. That's what your mates do. I mean, why do I have to take her myself? She ain't some kid or even my kid.
Honey, that wouldn't be a problem if she knows her way to school.
Okay?
What's the need of she walking to school when we actually have a car that can convey her to school?
Then you take her to school yourself. Why do you have to tell me to take her to school?
Please do this for me. Okay?
Okay, baby.
I'll see you when I'm back. Take care.
Okay.
Alright.
Listen attentive. I do not like dull art or dull brains around me. As we make this journey, I want you to mark every single step, every turn, every road that we take. You know why? That will be your only way to come back to this house.
But I can't master the road once. Not even to read my books too.
Oh, really? You can't? But you know how to master your way to your grandma's grave, don't you? And you listen to me. I don't have time for this rubbish. You better mark the roads, the U-turns, or you can as well jump into the lagoon or something. Go and be chilling with the oceans. Well, don't move your back yourself. Wait. What happened?
Honey, how come Angela is not back from school yet? Did you not go to pick her up?
I don't understand. Why do I need to go and pick her up? Is she some kid or what? I mean, why can't she trek all the way from the school to the house?
Honey, she's new in this town, and that was why I asked you to take her to school and also bring her back when school is dismissed.
Like someone who is also in a kindergarten class, right? And that's why you have to scream at me because of some Angela bullshit. Are you kidding me right now? Baby, calm down, relax. She's gonna be back soon.
Hello, good afternoon. I am Sarah, Angela's school teacher. I saw her wandering around school roads, so I confronted her to know what's her problem. And she confessed not knowing her way home, so I brought her home.
Angela, why did you assure your auntie that you will find your way back home?
Uncle, I told her that one ride won't be enough for me to know the destination back home. But she insists that I'm smart.
No, madam. That's not how to train a child.
Ah, shush it!
If not, I was paying attention.
Are you mad? Have you lost it? Now, who is this basic idiot? Eh? Who is this underrated element? Who are you? How do you breathe from your anus or from your nostrils? So just because you managed to bring back my child, you think you've got the guts to tutor me on parenting? Are you not? Are you sick? Now turn your front where you turned your back. Take yourself out of my compound right now before I lose it on you.
Angela, do take care of yourself, okay?
Go inside. Get out! Leave this place. Are you alright? Madam, leave this place before I pull your wig. Are you mad?
It's okay, madam.
Are you crazy? Can you imagine? Because you fixed some darling Yankee. And you're just here. Somebody is talking to me just like that. Are you okay? Because are you? What's nonsense?
Honey, what's the meaning of this?
What's giving her the leverage, the panache, the guts?
Honey, why will you let her come back from school all by herself? How is a 5 minutes ride to that school a big deal?
And how is a 45 minutes walk from that school to the house a big deal? How is it a big deal? I don't get it.
See, anybody can get lost in the city they're new in.
Sir, because anybody can get lost in the city that they're living, that's why you had to yell at me because of this thing, Angela. Forgetting that you will still crawl back to me in the night on the bed.
Honey, why are you not seeing it in that perception that she's just a little girl who is new in this city?
This one, a little
Even
girl.
an adult.
This one that can swallow this whole house. This one that can handle 20 of you is a little... And you.
Oh, honey, can you just stop?
You
It's
are
not
happy,
here.
right?
Don't do this here.
Oh, I should not do this here. But you were here. When that fucking catalog, that nitwit, that idiot that calls herself, that illiterate teacher that calls herself a teacher, wearing some yellow and black like someone who's been deported from Brazil, was talking to me anyhow. You did nothing about it. Now we cannot do that here because of this fucking thing.
Stop.
Get your hands off me.
Stop that.
Get your hands off me.
Stop.
No, listen to me, babe. If you want to treat this girl like some princess, it is your choice. But please, do not involve me in your nonsense, in your shenanigans. Do I make myself clear? Take her to school yourself. Bring her back yourself. Don't involve me. What nonsense? What? That teacher should tell her that she should stay away from me. Because if I go to that school tomorrow and meet her, I will pull off her damn lashes. What the hell does she think she used to tell me about parenting? Stupid teacher.
Angela, sorry. Are you fine? Sorry. You see, what my wife expected from you is unfair. We all know that you're new in this city and it will only take you a little time for you to adjust just fine.
Uncle, I'm very sorry. It's actually my fault. I would have paid attention earlier today when she was driving me to school.
It's not your fault and it's fine. So tell me, do you like your new school?
Yes. Yes, I do. Thanks for registering me there. I'm loving it there.
I'm happy that you love the school.
Even your deepest thoughts, she hides all. So no secret, she has it all. So no secret, no secret, cause she knows what you're thinking. No secret, no secret, she can hear your thoughts.
I wish she got lost today. I would not have worried about getting rid of her. That stupid nosy teacher had to interfere. Now I am still stuck with her, and I wonder how long I have to pretend to be okay with living with that parasite.
So when you asked me to find my way home, you did that very quickly, right? You know it was important for me to find my way home, just for me to get lost. Why are you doing this? Well, I don't need to read your face to know your thoughts. Just so you know, I can read your mind.
So you're trying to tell me that my thoughts are no longer my privacy? You can read my thoughts. I hate you. I hate you so much that I want you far away, gone.
Well, my uncle doesn't want me gone, so I see no interest in him leaving this house.
You will go, honey. No, you will go. You know why? By the time I unleash the hell in me, you would so run that you wouldn't even look back to see what is chasing you. You will run.
Angela,
Good day, uncle.
why are you back so late? Why didn't you join the school bus? I asked my wife to pay for the service.
I didn't pay for it. I was able to find my way home after I walked home with Miss Sarah yesterday.
I see. When it is too stressful, please use the school bus.
No, uncle. I don't think it's stressful because I'm getting used to this place. I'm trying to get used to this place, uncle. I'm loving the experience though.
Ooh. Uh-huh. You see what I was telling you? Now she is getting used to the experience. I told you it wouldn't be hard for her to get used to trekking around the city. You know why? Because she is used to the poverty-stricken life. All thanks to who? All thanks to me. I did not pay for the bus service so you can get frustrated with walking down home and telling me that you're enjoying the experience.
Yes, all thanks to Auntie Sheila. Thank you so much. I'm trying to get used to this place.
Thank you, baby.
Angela, I'm glad that you're back and you're safe. When you change your mind about walking to school, please do not hesitate to let me know. Do I make myself clear?
Yes.
Alright, you can go inside and have something to eat.
Hey, babe. And I have to succeed with them. But I keep having a bad feeling that the presence of this girl will mess up everything for me. No, Sheila. No way. I have come too far and worked too hard to watch a village idiot like that girl that calls herself Angela with some stupid superpowers to step on it. I won't take it.
And what plans are they? Because I don't see anything good coming from you.
I see. You know, it's the gods for me. So my plans is no longer to be kept to myself. You now know my plans. You now know my thoughts. They're no longer safe with me because you can hear them. And it's also the fact that you're putting it up for discussion, forgetting the fact that it is my thought, my privacy.
If you're planning anything bad, I will stop you. I will protect my uncle even if it kills me.
Oh, really?
And I'll reveal your thoughts to him.
Maybe I should cut off your tongue. That way you can't be able to say what you hear. Tiny midget. You know, when I see how tiny you are, I remember how those tiny South African mosquitoes used to build. You were playing with fire. And if you're not careful, you're going to get burnt. Leave my sight! Looking like some Mozambique toothpick. Animal. Hey! Whoosh! Come back here! Where do you think you're going to?
I'm going to
You're going to where?
school.
You're going to school. Are you done with the pile of clothes that I brought out for you to wash? What happened to them?
I can't do that now. When I
Who the hell are you to tell me what you can do and what you cannot do? Are you sick of the head? Now take yourself inside and wash those clothes.
Honey, please take it easy on her. She's late from going to school. I'm sure she can do this thing when she returns.
Yes,
When she returns, honey. Honey, you know what? Take your mouth off this. Do not interfere. That girl is going to be somebody's wife tomorrow. Now go in there and wash those things.
Please, if I get to school late, they'll punish me.
Then you wake up by 3 a.m. Do you understand me? Because you have to do your house chores before going to school. Now move. Move it. Move it. Will I move far? Move like a rag against a football. Are you crazy?
Auntie, you don't have to worry. I can find my way back home from here.
Are you sure? I don't mind walking you home, as long as you get home safely.
I know, Auntie. I'll be fine. And also, I want to thank you for the other day. Besides my uncle, you're the next person that cares for me after my mom died.
Oh my God, you have lost your mother.
Yes.
I am so sorry about that. How are you coping with the loss?
Well, I'm trying. That's what my mom would want, for me to be happy.
Look, you just have to be strong for your mother and study hard so you can make mommy proud wherever she is, okay? Oh, such a good kid. I feel so sad that she had to go through so much. I feel like hugging her to take away her pains. Oh.
Auntie, I think I really need a hug.
Are you serious? I was just thinking about it. Come here. Oh my God. Take care of yourself, okay? Okay, go. Let me watch you. Bye. Don't miss your way.
Okay.
Hey, baby. Hi, baby.
Hi, honey.
Okay, baby, this is Joel. We used to live together in my former neighborhood. So I've been having some issues with the driving all this while, navigating due to my back pain. So I decided to get a driver for myself, a personal driver. And I know him too well. He lived in my former neighborhood, trust me.
Well, if you say you know Joel the way you said you know him, then I don't think I have a problem with that.
Thank you very much for trusting me with your wife. I promise I will do my work carefully and diligently, sir. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you, baby.
Joel, I will need you to drive my wife safely at all times. I love her so much and she's my jewel, so I don't joke with her.
I know, sir.
The witch is trying to read his mind. I just hope Joel's mind is only talking about how beautiful this house is. I need to send her away before she figures everything. Oh my goodness, God. You know, baby, I've been...
Honey, baby, do you feel well?
Baby, I've been feeling dizzy since morning and I've not been getting myself. You know, I was actually thinking... Okay, I have some money. Please, I need you to get me blood tonic across the street at the pharmacy. I think it's shortage of blood. Wait. That's way... Just what? Please do have a seat. I'll get something for Mr. Joel.
Why is she so nice to me? Feeding me? Wait. Or has she realized that it's useless to wicked me? This can be.
How else can I keep her away from my heart and mind? Whenever she's awake and within sight, she is able to hear my thoughts and all my plans. They are all in my thoughts. I just need to feed her this food. Once she eats it, she will be unconscious for days. Then I can have the privacy for my thoughts all to myself, at least for those days. Something seems to be bothering you.
Yes, miss. Have you ever been in a situation where someone is in danger? You don't even know how you can help.
Yes, I have. Countless times.
How do you handle such situation?
Well, I waited for the perfect time and opportunity to present itself. Then I was able to help the situation. What is it? Why all these questions? What is bothering you?
My uncle is married to a bad woman and she's cheating on him. But I'm scared to tell my uncle because he might be having a doubt of trusting me.
Well, I understand how you feel. But in this case, you have to be very sure of whatever thing you said you know about your uncle's wife before approaching your uncle. Because if you are wrong and it proves so, you will lose the trust of your uncle totally.
That's why I'm slow in speaking up. I know she's planning something bad and she's up to no good.
Look, your hunches and premonition is not enough. You will be needing a strong evidence. What did I say?
Strong evidence.
Strong evidence. Good. To back up your claims against her. If not, she could deny you and put you into trouble. Okay?
Okay.
I hope you know what I mean by strong evidence.
Yes, Mom.
You need a picture or a video of them together to show your uncle what is going on in the house. If not, both of them, they will deny you.
Okay.
I just want you to be strong, okay? You just have to be strong. You have to be strong. Yeah?
She can read your mind and hear what you say, even your tiniest whisper.
Uncle,
Yes, Angela.
I'm very sorry. I know you're disappointed at me, but it's very difficult to prove my innocence to you.
Can you stop denying it?
I'll look for anything for you to forgive me. I'll prove to you my innocence.
You were caught red-handed, Angela. You know, I'm not mad at you. I'm not pissed at you because you were bedwetting. But for the fact that you continue to lie and claims of innocence.
Uncle, please, you have to believe me. I did not. And I want you to stop getting upset at me or disappointed.
I need to get Marcus out of the house for a few days. He used to go on a trip, but since the small witch showed up, he keeps sending his subordinates like a nursing mother. I need him to get out of this house for at least 3 days. That is the only surest and best way.
Auntie Sheila, the food you prepared was so delicious. Can I have more when we go inside?
Oh, really? Yes, I'll give you more. But on one condition. That you do not bathe wet anymore. Not some hippopotamus or some elephant who's been overfed with water. Do I make myself clear?
Hear what she said. You can then go inside.
I need to get Marcus out of the house for a few days. He used to go on a trip, but since the small witch showed up, he keeps sending his subordinates like a nursing mother. I need him to get out of this house for at least 3 days. That is the only surest and best way.
What did you just do? Don't kill my wife for me.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, honey. Sorry. Can you walk? No. You can't walk.
Even your deepest thoughts, she hates all. So no secret, no secret. She has it all. So no secret, no secret. Cause she knows what you're thinking. No secret, no secret. She can hear your thoughts.
I'm sorry. I'm very sorry.
Listen, you need to stop telling me that you are sorry. Because this is something you do intentionally. I don't know why you would want to hurt my wife. Why would you want to hurt my wife?
Uncle, I did it for you. There was something in that drink that could have harmed you.
Oh, can you listen to yourself? What makes you think that my wife would want to hurt me? I want to ask you one single question. How did you know about this? Did you see her trying to put something in my drink?
No, I didn't, but I heard...
Listen, enough of these lies and manipulations. I'm not in the good mood to listen to that. She has done nothing but is trying her best to get close to you, get to know you. But you're not making it easy for her. This is provocation. And I know one when I say it. And this is exactly what you're trying to do. I don't like it.
Uncle, please, you have to believe me. I will not do anything to make you to hate me or get angry.
Angela, we're gradually getting there, and you know it. You almost tried to hurt my wife.
I'm sorry, Uncle.
See, I'm too angry to look into your face right now. Just leave me alone. Go inside, I don't want to see you.
She can read your mind and hear what you say. Even your tiniest whisper, she has it all. She can hear your thoughts and know what you're planning. Even your deepest thoughts, she has it all. So no secret, no secret. So no secret, no secret. Cause she knows what you're thinking. No secret, no secret. She can hear your thoughts.
Mama, Who is that guy I saw with your wife?
A tall, fair guy.
Yeah, he looks very masculine.
Oh, that's Jewel. That's my wife's driver.
You trust him?
No. How do you expect me to trust him? Why would I trust him? I don't know him. My wife says that Jewel is our friend back then in school days. She's just trying to help the guy by making him her driver. So I don't know much about him. What about the guy? What's up? Everything okay?
It's fine. Since you said you can trust him, then it's fine. Mama, you look stressed. What's going on?
My guy, to be honest with you, Jelly, Angela is getting on my nerves. I'm telling you. In fact, Angela is beginning to come out from her shell. Listen, just the other day, she almost hurt my wife, Sheila, saying that she's trying to protect me, that Sheila wants to hurt me. Can you imagine that?
Did you see her put something in your food?
No, I didn't. But the problem is that she did not have any justification to that accusation.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I don't know what to say. Do you think she's going through stress or she needs some psychological help?
Jerry, I don't know, and I don't even care. As a matter of fact, there's a little I can take from that girl. She's getting on my nerves too much, and I just don't want to regret the fact that my sister pleaded with me to take care of her in her sick bed. I just don't want to break that promise, and that's why I'm taking all this shit from that little girl. To be honest with you, I'm fed up with her.
That's fine, Mama. That's fine.
I know you're happy after making me look bad in front of my uncle.
And you must be a very stupid, tiny brat to come in between husband and wife. Don't you think so?
I know you're cheating on my uncle with this person here.
Be careful, little girl, okay? I heard you lost your mom not too long ago. And saying things like this can cause you to meet her. Don't you think so?
Wow, he's now threatening me. See, I must have struck a chord, Auntie Sheila. My brother doesn't deserve someone like you. And I'll make sure I expose your evil deals.
I'm shivering. You know what, honey? First of all, when you get to my age, then you'll be able to understand what it takes to get a man like this. Secondly, do as much as an inch of exposing me, and I'll be sending you somewhere to be using me for some acid soap that should be experimented in the lab for some fibers. Take yourself out of my sight.
She's quite the talker.
Make sure you say goodbye to your friends. It seems today is going to be your last day of going to school. Your uncle concluded that you were suited to learn trade, not school.
No, Uncle can't do that to me. He knows how much I love school. I don't want to leave school. Uncle can't do that to me. He can't. He can't change my school.
Angela, what is it that I cannot do to you? What are you talking about exactly?
Uncle, please, I don't want to change my school. I don't want to stop going to school. I love my school. I have no interest in trade.
Wait a minute. How come you know about this? Because from the last time I checked, this is the discussion I had with my wife in the privacy of our room. How come you know about it? Honey? Do you think the prophet is right?
You know, I hate this question you are asking so bad that I feel like wanking off your face, if not for the fact that you wait all the way to my place to pay my dowry. I don't understand.
You are seeing a very glaring answer to your question, and here you are still asking that kind of dumb question. This girl is possessed. She's a witch.
Oh Lord, I can't believe this. So what are we going to do now? Can your prophet be of help?
Of course. Because if you expect me to deal with others, I won't. This is like dealing with 24,000 demons.
So why don't you just go ahead and call him? Give him a call.
Yes, I'll call him.
Angela, please sit down. Your uncle would like to ask you some questions, and I would like you to be honest with the answers.
Okay, Uncle. Ask me anything. I'll answer honestly.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, good. Tell me, when you sleep at night, do you see people or things?
No.
No?
Yes, Uncle.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. When you sleep at night, do you by any chance move between the walls?
No, Uncle.
Do you also listen to voices of people talking even when you're not there?
I only hear voices of the mind. I read people's thoughts. That's how I came to know of you stopping me from going to school.
You're not making any sense. What are you talking about?
Auntie thought about your decision, and I heard it. It's a gift I have had.
What is she saying? Could this be mental illness or psychological problem, not spiritual?
Uncle, it's not mental illness. I discovered me hearing people's minds when I was 3. At first, I thought it was random noise until I mastered the act of focus.
Wait. You heard in my mind talking about mental illness. Listen, I don't know what's this thing with you, but I wanted to know that you are abnormal. Listen, I am going to find a solution to your problem. You're not normal.
Uncle, you don't believe me. You believe a prophet that is accusing me of being a witch.
And how do you expect me to believe that you're reading people's mind and thoughts? I can't even believe that you're trying to confuse your own uncle. Listen, just leave my side. I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to see you. Just leave.
She can read your mind and hear what you say. Even your tiniest whisper, she hears it all. She can hear your thoughts and know what you're planning. Even your deepest thoughts, she hears it all. So no secret.
What's the meaning of this? Huh? What was this supposed to mean in the first place? I asked her what the problem is. Instead of her to tell me exactly what the problem is, she's rather making me get more confused. Saying that she could hear people's minds and thoughts. Isn't this crazy? Maybe she hearing voices could cause her harm. I think I should consider what my wife should have said and get a professional to look into this because I'm not getting it anymore.
You seem to be in a good mood.
Yes, honey.
Things must really be good.
You can say that again. Let's just say that things are moving according to the way I planned it. So I am happy.
What is going on?
I want to change my husband's heart. I mean, his mind towards that evil girl that calls herself Angela. That man who always wanted to treat her like a princess is now considering the facts. I mean, it's now changing his mind. He's planning to take her to a mental home, a psychiatric hospital.
Genius. Did you suggest that to him?
Not at all, honey. I did not. Let's just say the young girl shot herself at the leg. I mean, considering the fact that she is hearing different voices, that made it very easy for me to twist his mind. So I made him believe me. She is mentally deranged. He believes that he's mentally ill. Yes, with the pressure that I'm mounting on him right now, nothing is going to change his mind. He would definitely take her to a mental home. Because that's where she belongs.
Serves the little girl right. Next time she will learn to mind her business and stop interfering in adults' business.
You can see that again, honey. You know what? I do not have a problem with her being in this house. As long as she does not disrupt my plans. Pregnancy for sure is a certain guarantee that I'm going to get all I want. But if she thinks I'm going to sit down here and watch a fly mess up everything for me, no, honey. I'm going to crush it and fling it to the bin. Because that's where she belongs. My bad, please, what do I offer you? Because we need to celebrate this.
Cold chips.
Auntie, can you give me a little of that? My tummy hurts.
A little of what?
Your food.
The food that I prepared for myself in my husband's house. You know, actually, it's the guts for me. So you expect me to cook and give you to eat? Why don't you go and make your own food in the kitchen if you're hungry?
There is no food stuff, and you didn't give me money to go to the market.
Oh, I see. You know, your uncle actually said that you're not all right upstairs. Yes, at this point, I think I concur with him. You should be in a psychiatric hospital being attended to. You're not seriously all right.
Auntie, so this is what you do. Trying to make my uncle have doubts in me. So he would lose interest in me. Not to trust me again.
I thought you said you were hungry. And here you are bantering words with me, really. Okay, go ahead. Now continue bantering words with me.
No. Okay, I'm sorry. Please. I'm so hungry. I think it's ulcer. Please.
You think it's ulcer? So tell me, how do you know it's ulcer?
It's biting me.
It's biting you. Then you should be rolling on the floor by now if it's ulcer. Stop looking at me as if I'm one wicked. Okay, fine. I'm just gonna be nice. Can I have it? Eat from the crumbs. Do you have a choice? Then get to work. Start eating. You should be eating like an animal. That's what you are. Looking at me like someone. Make it a two for you, you know. Hey, get me a glass cup from the kitchen. Make yourself useful fast.
There is nothing out of the ordinary with her. I have been with her so many times. Is there any reason for your concern?
Well, yes. She claims to hear people's thoughts. I don't know if she has shared that with you.
No. She has never told me something like that. But that explains why I always think about something. And she will speak in that direction. immediately. Oh, I used to think she's a face reader and was good at it. Now I understand.
Is that even possible? Do you think this mental illness?
Mental illness?
Yes.
No, sir. Well, I don't have an answer to your question. I suggest you seek psychological help. As you suggested, they may have an answer to your question. But from my observations, sir, nothing is wrong with Angela. She seemed very normal. She behaved normal. She talked like a normal human being. Nothing is wrong with her.
Well, thank you so much, Miss Sarah, for your help. Please, going forward, I would like you to continue watching over her for me. She's too precious for me.
You don't have to say that. She is my best student. In fact, she is my best friend. I enjoy looking out for her. Take care of her for me, okay?
Absolutely, I will. I beg to take my leave now.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Please.
Bye-bye.
Just an innocent child who wants to find happiness, but my gift bestowed a lot of tasks upon me. If you can listen to me, then I will tell you what I heard and unveil the hidden enemy. I am not the enemy. Why won't you listen to me? I want to save you from the dangers of the enemy. But I'm not.
Baby, I need to ask you a question, please. Why do you like endangering our lives? Why?
Honey, what are you talking about?
What I'm talking about is the fact that we are living with a mentally deranged person, a sick person, a mentally challenged person under our roof. Why?
Honey, don't you think you're overreacting? This girl hasn't done anything to be considered violent.
Oh, so you're waiting for her to stab someone or probably kill you before you will know that she's a mad person. Is that it?
I don't know, but like I said earlier, baby, I think we're pushing this thing too much. She hasn't gotten to that. She hasn't displayed any violent actions or something. Like,
are you even listening to yourself talk? No, baby, for once, have you even thought about the voices that she hears? Have you thought about the commands, what they could be telling her? What if she stabs you or does something? Jesus, why are you not understanding where I'm coming from? Why?
Again, honey, I feel like we are reading too much to this. I mean, I spoke with her teacher earlier today and she assured me that there's nothing abnormal about
There
Angela.
you go again. That is the problem I have with you. Sometimes you sound like a wacky illiterate. There you go again. Talking about those wacky-tacky, useless, shredded teachers. Those people who depend on, those useless, darling Yankee with horns. People who cannot even fix a good hair. Those are the people you're listening to. Forgetting the fact that a mad woman can be triggered at any time, anywhere. Are you kidding me right now? Listen to me, babe. The earlier we take that girl to a mentally home, the better for both of us. Because when she will be triggered, you and I will not be able to contain or hold her back.
Okay.
Good. Some tacky-wacky, shredded illiterate t-shirts.
What happened there? What's going on?
Please, I just feel her.
My body's itching me.
Why?
I don't know. I think there's something in my cream.
There's something in your cream. Baby, can't you see the evidence? It's providently very clear to you. It's obvious, right in your eyes. Baby, this girl is mad. All you need to do is to call a psychiatric hospital. Call the doctor to come and fix her up. Bundle her out of her house.
No, I'm not mad. I'm not
And trust me, if you go close to her, you start barking like a bird. I want to start barking like some dog. I want to start doing whoa, 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 whoa. Is that what you want?
Hello, doctor. Please, I have an emergency in my house. Can you come as fast as you can?
What the hell is wrong with you?
I mean, what does the doctor have to do with this? I said you should call a psychiatric doctor, not some family doctor. Don't go near her. If she bites you, you start barking like a rottweiler. You want to start barking like a dog, like whoa, 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 whoa. Is that what you want to start doing?
Uncle, please, I need it. Oh, my itchy, Uncle.
Maybe this is a sign of madness. She's about to go. Get to the academy.
Who want to find happiness, but my gift bestowed a lot of task upon me. If you can listen to me, then I will tell you what I have and unveil the hidden enemy. I am not the enemy. Why won't you listen to me? I want to save you from the dangers of the enemy. But I'm not the enemy. Oh, the enemy is this guy.
Has the doctor gone?
Yes. The doctor said that she's reacting to some sort of chemical she came across with.
Chemical? Chemical from where?
I don't know. Isn't that ridiculous?
Oh. So sorry, but she's getting better, right?
Personally, I'm glad that the doctor did not link her situation as mental illness. That proven to say that Angela is actually fine after all.
I see. I'm so happy she's getting better. You know, baby, the way you took your time to come and actually sit beside Angela, one could literally tell that you're going to be a good father.
Of course, you know that. I am a good father.
Yes, you are a good father. Angela, please to get well soon. I'll fix something downstairs. Okay?
Okay.
You listen to me, I want to save you from the dangers of the enemy. But I'm not the enemy. Oh, the enemy is this guy. Yeah. Please listen.
For a house like this and a life like this, I would abandon the plan. Sheila is so stupid. For who is she doing all this for? And who is she working so hard for? She has to throw away her only opportunity of having the perfect life? God, I wish I had her life. She has no idea how envious of her I am. You must be the husband's niece. Why are you staring at me so intensely?
Ma, what can I offer you? You're welcome.
Please cut off with that pretentious act of yours. Because you and I know that you've already read her mind. You're the worst creature to live with a human.
You know, I didn't want to until I saw black smoke covering her. And Sheila, you both deserve a trap.
How dare you? Have you lost it? Come and get yourself out of my sight. Your multicolored words.
You must be dealing with a lot.
I've been dealing with a whole lot, girl. That's really a lot of them. You know, all my plans to send her to asylum just went in vain. I don't have any other idea in my head. I don't know what else to do to kick this girl out of this house. But she's driving me nuts.
Honestly.
This girl needs to leave my house. Oh, my dear, please. My bad. What do I have for you? Get some wine.
Angela, why didn't you buy the mathematical set your teacher asked you to buy?
Uncle, I don't have money to buy it.
I don't get it. What do you mean that you don't have money?
Ensure that my wife gives you enough weekly allowance, as huge as that of an adult salary.
for every week, and you stand here and look me in the face and tell me you don't have money. What kind of embarrassment is that?
Actually, Uncle, my allowance hasn't been paid this month. Auntie Sheila did...
Are you mad? No, are you sick? Is something wrong with you upstairs? Who the hell is your mate here? How dare you mention my name, Auntie what? Auntie Sheila? Do you know the full name of Sheila? When they created Sheila, you wearing bun honey. How dare you? Who the hell do you think you want to call my name? Are you sick? Baby, trust me, I've been giving this millipede, this tiny brat. I've been giving her allowance. I don't know what she's been doing with it. I knew you were going to lie.
Angela,
Look
is
at
that
her.
true? Asam, is that true?
Are you joking right now? No, say a word. What do you want to say? Say it and let me tell you to shred. Look at her wearing some green white like some cost generation in Nigeria. Are you sick in the head? Are you mad? Is something wrong with you? In other words, you're trying to say that I am lying, right? No, I am lying. Baby, I've been giving this girl her money. Guess what? You think I don't know? I will tell my husband. Baby, guess what? This girl has been going about spending her money on her old friends in the village. She buys them a whole lot of gifts, trying to feel big and belong. So how is it my fault that she left her education to go and buy things for her useless tacky-wacky friends? How is it my fault?
Angela, I hope that's not true.
What do you mean by I hope? Are you by any chance trying to say that I am lying? Is that what you're trying to say?
Honey, calm down. I understand actually how you feel, but she has been warned as well. I believe she won't repeat that again. Going forward, I would like to know what you do with your weekly allowance. Did I make myself clear?
Hey, I am here.
Honey, please.
You know what? I don't even know what I'm doing here with both of you. Sick.
Just listen to me. Hey, I am not the enemy. Why wouldn't you listen to me? I want to save you from the day.
What could be the content?
You should check it out. Dear Angela, the love of my life,
I've
missed you so bad that I can't wait for Monday to come and see you when you're going to school. I cannot forget how soft your body felt against my touch, and the thought of your skin against me makes me go hard. I cannot forget. I can't wait to have you in my arms. Your lover, Jumbo. Who the hell is Jumbo?
Angela, who is Jumbo and what do you have with him?
I don't know who Jumbo is. I have not even seen any man. No man has touched me.
Shut up your mouth, you liar. I knew you were going to deny it. Who the hell is Jumbo?
I have never seen Jumbo. I don't even know who Jumbo is. I don't even know if Jumbo even exists.
In other words, what are you trying to say? That this letter it grew wings and then flew itself into this compound and dropped it on top of the car. Is that what you're trying to say? What the hell is Jumbo?
Angela, I'm going to give you a chance to come clean and tell me the truth. But if I find out that you're lying to me, trust me, you're going to hate me because I will never forgive you.
I'm telling you the truth. Someone is trying to make me look bad.
Did you hear that? Who the hell is that somebody? I'll wipe your brains off your head. Are you sick? I don't understand. No, are you not? No, does she have dementia? What the hell? What the hell is? No, let me. Are you crazy?
Please, just let her be, okay? Just let it go. Come on, get into the car. Let's go.
Netwit.
Honey, please come.
Just listen to me. Hey, I am not the enemy. Why wouldn't you listen to me? I want to save you from the danger zone.
Let
just an innocent child who want to find happiness. But my gift bestowed a lot of tasks upon.
I just want to be left alone, please.
I know you're the one behind that letter. You want my uncle to consider me sport, right? Why are you doing this?
I see what you're trying to do there. You know, you're actually a very smart girl. You're trying to make me to accept that I did it. So you can have an evidence. I'm not going to give you that hand. I won't give you that opportunity. Now tell me, when last did you hear anything about me? Can you still read my thoughts?
No, I can't read your thoughts anymore.
Beautiful. You know why? That's because I am now in charge. Yes. Henceforth, you will no longer read my thoughts. Now tell me, honey bunny, how does it feel to know that your precious gifts can be controlled by another? How does it feel?
Why do you make me feel bad in front of my uncle?
Oh.
Why? What did I do to you?
There's some tears. It's not even dropping. Aww. You know, making you look bad is just a very easy task for me to do because I've done that. I've done that already. I want your ass kicked out to the streets so you can suffer and die. That's what I want from you. Your brother is a grown-up. He can take care of himself. He doesn't even need your protection. So all you need to do for me is to get the hell out. Smell out. That's all.
Whatever you want. I won't give it to you. I will stop you.
Then your suffering just begun. Stink out of my sight right now.
Yes, my love.
This is for you.
Nice. Are you not going to be drinking with me?
No, baby. You know, I wish I could, but my situation wouldn't let me. Take me from this room.
What is this? What? Baby, this is great news.
Of course it is.
I'm going to be a father.
Yes,
for real.
You are going to be a father. I'm pregnant.
Wow. Listen, I'm so happy. I'm very, very happy about this.
Yes, baby, I know you've always wanted this.
Baby, are you trying to say that my child is in there?
Yes, baby. I mean, for real. This time around, for real, baby. I'm pregnant.
You're making me a father.
Yes, baby.
Baby, listen. I am so happy about this. And because of that, I wanted to make a request. Ask me of anything that you want and I will get it done. In as much as not the head of a king, I will do it for you.
Really? You know, that reminds me, babe. There's this business my friend was actually telling me about.
Okay.
You know, she said we could invest something like 40 million and then we get 80 million in 3 months.
Wow.
Maybe we should just do it and then the profit would belong, it will become our child's own, maybe our son.
Wow, that's brilliant.
Yes, baby.
Maybe, you know, I was expecting you to ask for yourself, but you didn't. Rather, you asked for that of our child.
Of course, baby, our child comes first.
That shows how beautiful you are in and outside. I like that about you.
Thank you.
Baby, listen, consider it done.
Oh, baby, you're joking.
Do I look like I'm joking? I'm telling you the fact.
No, baby, you're joking.
Do I look like I'm joking? Anything
Thank
for you,
you
baby.
so much, baby. 40 million. Okay, thank you so much. I can't wait for our baby to grow. I'm sure it's going to be a boy. And then we have all this investment for him. It's a whole lot.
I'm glad I have you.
I love you, baby.
I love you more. You're everything and more that I want in my life. Thank God.
I'm sure he's a boy.
I want my family to be strong and healthy.
Isn't that too extreme? Tying her eyes and mouth at the same time.
If you don't know this girl, do you want her to move freely and hear our conversation?
Listen, if dropping is not even the problem. The problem right here is that she's able to read our minds.
Exactly.
She has the ability to read and know our plans. So trust me, what we did just now was the best option.
Actually, it's the best.
Now that the pregnancy news have brought 40 million naira, and we know that the pregnancy is a sham, what are we going to do? In 9 months, a baby is expected. What's the plan?
Oh, are you thinking of adopting a day-old baby? You know, there are so many girls in the black market ready to give out their child for the right amount.
And have myself go in jail for crime, right? You must be joking. I'm not going to do that. Listen, guys. At this point, we've gotten 40 million naira due to our fake pregnancy results. So what we should do is to look for our another strategic plan. And that is miscarriage. We should be thinking of how to get fresh blood in order to make it look real.
You were right.
Yeah, I think you have a point. That's a very good plan.
Yeah.
I think she's the one home.
This guy.
So how is it going with the competition? Have they accepted to merge us on this project?
Man, these guys don't look serious. I feel they want to bail on us. I don't think they want to get us involved in this.
So we should come up with a different plan then.
I guess that's right. Something different. I guess that'll be perfect.
Strategically, this thing is becoming something else, but let's be hopeful. Jerry.
You look bothered. What's going on?
Do you believe in witchcraft? Do you believe there exists? Do you think it's something that comes into existence?
Man, I don't believe in that, man. I feel someone that has witch experience should tell.
My wife thinks Angela is a witch. She feels like all the bad dreams she has been having is a result of Angela trying to hurt her. Her pregnancy. This has not been going well with her.
Something that is just a mere dream? Is this something you should believe? I feel it's just a mere dream. It's not something you should bother about. It's not even happening in reality. It's just a dream, my man. What do you think?
At this point, I don't even know what I think, but I don't like the situation of things in my family, and I believe everything will be fine soon.
Yeah, I believe so too. I believe so too. I believe so too. Shouldn't bother about this, bro.
Good afternoon.
My beautiful angel, you're back from school.
Yes, I am.
So, how was school today?
Just fine. Okay, are you okay? You look worried.
I'm fine. Just that I'm worried about you.
Me?
I'm worried that you might be going through something that I do not know or can help.
Well, Uncle, I'm fine. As you can see, I'm okay. Uncle, do you follow Auntie to the hospital? I mean, for like pregnancy checkup and what it's like.
Why did you ask? Are you worried about something?
I just feel like you should drive her to the hospital, meet with the doctor handling her condition. Like, you know, this is your first baby and everything has to go well.
This is the opposite of what Sheila said she dreamt of. Angela looks worried for the baby. There's no way she will harm a child she is concerned about, or could she be playing with me before she strikes so as not to be suspected? What am I supposed to believe?
Excuse me, sir. Can I speak to you for a minute?
With all due respect, sir, I do not believe in roadside prophecies. Please move along.
When the Lord reveals a thing, I must speak it out. She hears the sound of the cry of a child in your home. And she will do anything to make sure the cry of a child is not heard in your home.
What? I mean, why would she want to do that?
Because she wants to be the only one that is close to you. She is possessed. And she wants you to live a life of loneliness and be miserable. She has already started attacking your marriage by telling lies about your wife. You need to pray. You need to pray against the spirit of falsehood and confusion. Yes, you need to pray. You need to pray. Prayer is the key.
Come to think of it, Angela is the only girl in this house. Could this pastor be referring to her? No, nothing will happen. I just hope Angela is not guilty of all those accusations and fingers pointing at her at every given situation. I just hope it's just mere speculations.
I just need to put Marcus to sleep for days, and thankfully, the medicine man gave me a charm that can wake him up whenever I want. It'd really be nice to put him to sleep for months. You know, that way, I can have the house all to myself and do whatever I like. The charm is safely hidden under Angela's pillow, and he will never find it, not to talk more of accusing me of voodoo practices. Nicely played, Sheila.
Uncle, what happened? I heard her crying. Is she okay?
You mean, is the baby fine? They warned me. My wife warned me. They told me how evil you are. But I was just trying to believe that they were all wrong. Now it has cost me my own child, Angela.
Uncle, you have to believe me. She was only pretending. She was never pregnant.
One more word from you and I will kill you here. I think that I'm joking with you. I mean, what have I done to you to deserve all this? What have I done to you? To believe, to see that you're not wishing me well.
Uncle, I swear with my life, I did not do anything to her. She was even planning to knock you out for months with one thing like that. It's kind of scary that she hid in my room.
So how did you hear her? Huh? I guess you listened to her mind. Angela, you're full of shit. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? I was a fool to believe in you all this while, and I have stopped believing you. I hope you're happy now. You and your coven mate can now have a delicious meal at midnight. Excuse me.
Not the enemy. Why wouldn't you listen to me? I want to save you from the dangers of the enemy. But I'm not the enemy. Oh.
Thinking too freely for me to hear it. Knowing too well I won't let it happen. I really need to save my uncle. Whatever she's planning, I won't let it happen. Uncle, at least come and eat something.
Angela, my wife is starving. You have caused us so much pain. Forgive me when I tell you I don't feel like eating, when I know that my wife is unable to eat.
Listen to me, hey. I am not the enemy. Why wouldn't you listen to me? I want to save you from the dangers of the enemy. But I'm not the enemy.
Maybe I should go and meet her. I need to convince her to eat. This act of hers has to stop. She's starving, Uncle.
The enemy is this guy. Yeah. Just listen to me. Hey.
Maybe I should just call Uncle. To think he will go to bed on an empty stomach. But you're here, eating rice, rushing it.
What are you waiting for? No, what are you waiting for? Should I get to a private jet? You should be running along already. Go and tell him. You know, you must be very daft and stupid to actually think that you can come in between husband and my wife. You're mad. No, go ahead. By the time I'm done with you, you'll be back to the streets where you belong. Animal.
What am I supposed to do? The evil lady has manipulated my uncle against me. He now believes I'm the one responsible for the child that never existed. But please come back. I miss you. Your daughter needs you right now. Now I know that she was right when she said I can never be a match for her. I can never beat her. But Mom, you always tell me that God will always succeed over evil. Mom, please, I need you here. Uncle no longer trusts me or believe me. Mommy, please. What should I do? Should I run away? I wish you were here with me. I need you.
Oh man, this is so intense. I'm so confused right now. What are you thinking?
What do you expect me to think? There was a prophecy, followed by a nightmare. And then I saw Angela come inside the room with a voodoo doll, and Sheila started to bleed immediately. Listen, I think that girl is a witch and she has cost me my child.
Well, I wouldn't say you should lay fingers on her right now. Accusing her of being a witch, I just feel it's just too much for you to take in right now.
Well, I don't know what to think right now, but the evidence of Angela being guilty outweighs her declaration of innocence.
Are you considering sending her away?
Man, I'll be left with no other alternative if that's the only thing that I have to do to have a child. But I'm not going to do that anyway.
Baby, you got me so worried. Baby, you needed to have seen how surprised I was when they told me she didn't come to school today. So tell me, where did you take her to?
Remember you asked me not to rely on her answers as regarding to the contraceptive pill. So I took her to the hospital for a purity test.
You did what? You took her to the hospital to certify if she's truly a virgin or not.
That was exactly what I did.
And I'm sure you were pretty disappointed. So tell me, what was the result?
Well, the doctor assured me that she's intact and never had any carnal knowledge of a man. I mean, she's a virgin, so I'm wondering what will a virgin be doing with pregnancy-controlling pills?
I mean, that is not possible. Maybe the doctor did not even look at it very well. I'm very sure. He didn't use the right object. Besides, why are you even asking me that question? You're asking me this as if... Baby, yes, you saw those pills with me, but I told you where I got it from. I got the contraceptive pills from her. I took it from her. So you should be asking her, what is she doing with the pills? Not me. Or probably maybe she is putting it in my food. So I do not get pregnant. You know how much this girl doesn't want us to have kids. I always told you this girl is a witch, didn't I? I told you.
That's not true. I can't do that. I haven't seen that pill before. Until when you lied on my head. The drugs belongs to you.
Are you crazy? What? Are you crazy? Are you sick? Listen, Baby, let me talk. I have given you enough freedom in this house. And if you think I'm going to let you perpetrate your evil plans in my husband's house and let you ruin my marriage, then you have something else coming up your sleeves. I swear to God, I will tear you to shreds.
Honey, just take it easy. Look, I don't know what has been happening in my family. First was the love letter, and now pill. Listen, I'm not happy about this whole situation. But honey, you need to take it easy. You need to calm down, okay?
Are you even listening to yourself? How can you believe that this thing is a virgin? Baby, I am sure the doctor used 1.5 mm to check that hole down there instead of 3 mm. I'm telling you, this girl, she could swallow a whole red time horse. She could swallow it. This thing is no longer a virgin. I know what I'm telling you. This thing, try it, she will swallow you.
This girl, yeah, just listen to me. Hey, I am not the enemy. Why won't you listen to me? I want to save you from the dangers of...
You see, On one side is Sheila, my wife, saying that she wants to get pregnant so she can give me a child. Then I find a contraceptive pill. On the other hand is Angela, being accused of using those contraceptives on her sexual lifestyles, which wasn't entitled me, so I decided to take her to the hospital for a purity test. But then the doctor confirmed to me that she's intact. I mean, she's a virgin. So the question now is, what will a virgin be doing with a pregnancy prevention medication?
Wow. Do you think Sheila is lying?
To be honest with you, the evidence is bad on the side of Sheila and not Angela. I mean, why would Sheila, my wife, be taking contraceptive when she says she wants to give me a child? It's very much confusing to me. Or could it be that her last miscarriage was so hard on her and got her traumatized? There is something that Sheila is not telling me.
Calm down, my guy. Calm down, my guy. You have to be smart about this and shine your eyes. Okay? So you could figure out who is lying and who is being truthful.
Jerry, listen to me. I don't think me shining my eyes is enough, because what I'm going through here is more than me shining my eyes. The whole thing is just that the more I look is the less that I see in this situation. I don't know who is innocent and who is not. As a matter of fact, I do not know who to believe and who not to believe in this situation.
Well, you don't have any evidence leveled against both of them. So right now, you just have to relax and treat this issue with continence.
Seriously, guys, I'm in a fix, and I need you to help me out.
What is wrong? You sounded agitated on the phone.
As you can see, we have the whole house to ourselves till the next 1 hour. Until that witch comes back. My husband is beginning to suspect everything that I do. As a matter of fact, he's beginning to become uncomfortable with every single thing, every movement that I make.
But wait, let me understand something. What gave him that impression? Were you sloppy with the miscarriage?
Not at all. He saw me with a contraceptive pill, and then I've been trying to tell him that it's not mine. I tried to move it to Angela, trying to make him to hate and dislike this girl. But unfortunately, it didn't work. He had to take Angela all the way to the hospital to do a purity test. And guess what? It came out negative. She is still a virgin.
This is really serious.
What will a virgin be doing with an abortion drugs?
That is the problem. I also tried to make him feel, or even convince him, that she has been putting this in my food, so as, for me not to get pregnant. But
You mean he didn't buy the idea?
no, he did not.
You know you're a genius. What do? You can come up with another plan, something. We will help you carry it out.
Yeah, of course. We're ready to do that.
Yes, you're right. I am indeed a genius. That is why I've been asking myself, what the hell am I doing with the two useless bamboos?
You need to calm down. We will find a solution to this. Okay? Bring your hand.
Give me!
Bring your hand.
Give me! No!
Open your hand.
Leave me alone! Leave me! Leave me alone! Leave me! Leave me!
What is going on here? Oh, Angela left these pills in the car yesterday. When I drove her to the supermarket, I told her to come take it back, but she refused, telling me to throw it in the trash.
It's a lie. Why are you lying? This drugs doesn't belong to me. Why is everyone accusing me of drugs I know nothing about?
Angela,
This
is
should
an
be some
abortion
abortion
pill.
Yes.
So, Angela, what are you doing with an abortion pills?
Uncle, I swear to God, the drugs doesn't belong to me.
I'm tired of your lies. Are you trying to say that, or are you by any chance insinuating that both of them are a bunch of liars that are just lying against you? They don't know what they're saying.
Uncle, please, you have have to believe me. Auntie and the driver planned this.
Are you crazy? No, what did I just say you say? Auntie did what? Is something wrong with you? Who the hell is your auntie? No, do we look like, are you sick?
Baby, calm down. Angela, you still look me in the eyes and lie to me. That reminds me, you know how my wife continuously complaining of how you appear in her dreams, trying to hurt our baby.
But I told you this girl was a witch. She is a witch. Still a witch. I
And
told
now,
you.
I'm seeing you with an abortion pills. What is going on? What have we done to you to deserve all this? Is this how you're going to pay me back for everything that I've done for you? Pay me back good with bad?
Uncle, please, he's lying. You have to believe me.
Who is lying? No, who the hell is lying? One more word from you and I will beat you hanky-panky. No, it belongs to me.
I don't know.
You know what? I'm waiting for you in the car. Just take care of your mess.
I told her to come take it, but she refused, telling me to throw it in the trash.
Why are you lying? It's a lie, Uncle, please. Uncle.
Come here, pick this, pick it. Pick this quick now! Come here! Stubborn girl.
It feels bad to know that my niece has made it her business to ruin my happiness. Angela wants to kill me, and I know she will stop at nothing until she achieves this. At what length? And what I do not know is why she's doing all those things. After everything that I've done for her, and she have the guts to treat me this way. I just need my wife to say the word, and I will just kick her out of this house. I've had enough of this nonsense.
They have finally succeeded in accusing me for what I did not do. To my uncle, he thinks I'm the one that got rid of his baby that never existed.
Look, you just have to calm down, okay? You just have to be strong. Listen, let me explain things to you. Number one, your uncle trusts his wife so much, but he doesn't know that she is working against him. Number two, you are the only one who knows about this and can expose her. That is why she has been trying so hard to cast doubt in the relationship between you and your uncle to take away the trust he has for you.
What am I supposed to do? I have taken so much pain just to save my uncle. I think she was right. I can never beat her. Never.
You cannot give up now. You are the only one who can save your uncle. If you give up now, who will save him?
Then who will save me? Right now, my uncle thinks that I'm a worst person. He's thinking of getting rid of me. Maybe I should just run away.
No.
Yes.
Don't even say that. Running away is not an option. Don't do that. Now, okay, listen. Your uncle may be a grown-up and an adult, but he is synonymous to the blind. As he cannot see what has been going on in that house, and he cannot say the truth from the lies. You are the only one who knows everything that has been going on in that house. I want you to calm down. You are the only one who sees everything. I want you to calm down and wait for the perfect time to expose these evil people. She is evil. She is wicked. Please. Okay? Stop crying. You have to stop crying. Be strong. God cannot make you to go through what you cannot overcome. It's okay.
You spirit of darkness, I command you, come out of her. You evil spirit, come out of her now. Come out of her. Come out of her. You evil spirit, come out of her. You spirit of darkness, I command you, come out of her. Come out of her. Leave her now. You spirit of darkness, I say come out. Come out. Oh, you're stubborn. You're stubborn. You are stubborn. You are stubborn. Okay. Wait for Holy Ghost Koboko. Holy Ghost Koboko. Wait for Holy Ghost Koboko. Holy Ghost Koboko. Ikaya tapa setere boshete hikaraba. Holy Ghost Koboko. Holy Ghost Koboko.
Stop it! Stop!
What is this? What, Prophet? What was it? What have you done?
Stop it!
Be calm, young man. What have you done? Prophet, calm down, young man. The demons have just left.
They just left. They just exited her body. That's how they behave when they want to leave the demon's body.
So this is how demons live?
Yes, baby, you have to believe me. That's how they leave.
I can take my leave now.
Yes, Prophet. Don't pursue. Do you know how many demons that are leaving this body? You can't do that. Someone out of experience is telling you that this is the way they behave when the demons want to leave one's body. Please, let's go before you get infected.
Are you sure about this?
Baby, let's go.
But she can't just... What's the meaning of this?
I just hope she's gonna get better.
Is she going to be fine? She has been out for over 2 hours now.
She's going to be fine. And probably maybe she'll be saying something.
Yeah, you're right. Maybe she just go downstairs and make her something to eat. I know she'll be hungry by the time she wakes up.
Okay, I have something already. I'll just go and dish it out.
Okay, let's go down there.
I'm just an innocent child who want to find happiness, but my gift bestowed a lot of tasks upon me. If you can listen to me, then I will tell you what.
Have it up.
Why are you giving me food? Wait. Do you want to finish what the prophet started?
Excuse you? Beg your pardon? Oh, you actually think I'm gonna kill you? Why would you think I'll waste my time trying to kill someone like you? Listen, if I wanted to kill you, certainly not with this food and not in this house. I'll keep you where no one can ever find you. So if I were you, I'd rather eat to have enough strength to practice my witchcraft activities. So do you want to eat? Or should I take it back?
Do you want to finish what the prophet started?
Open your mouth and eat. I don't have all day.
I don't want to eat your food.
We eat it. Eat it so you have enough strength to fly at night. Eat it. Open it. Ah! Yeah! I said sorry now.
First time I'm seeing my sister in my dreams after her death. My sister is not happy wherever she is. I have failed her and her daughter. Angela is innocent, yet I treated her like a winch. Something is not just right for my sister to appear to me for the very first time to warn me. That practically shows that Angela might be in danger. I should go look out for her. I need to go check up on her. I just hope she's fine. Where is Sheila? Where's my wife?
Your deepest thoughts, she hides all. So no secret, no secret. She has it all. So no secret, no secret. Cause she knows what you're thinking. No secret, no secret. She can hear your thoughts. Oh, she's a gift.
Angela. Angela. Angela.
She can read your mind and hear what you say. Even your tiniest whisper, she has it all.
Honey, where you at? Oh, I can't find Angela. Where is she? None of her things is here. She's gone. Listen, I never liked this idea of the reverend thing. I believe it's what got her scared and she ran out of the house. Oh, I can't believe this. I failed her and I failed my sister. If anything happens to her, I'm not going to forgive myself. Please get me my car key. I need to go and look for her. I need my car key. I need to go and look for her now.
I'm just an innocent child who wants to find happiness. But my gift bestowed a lot of tasks upon me. If you can listen to me, then I will tell you what I have and unveil the hidden enemy. I am not the enemy. Why wouldn't you listen to me? I want to save you from the dangers of the enemy. But I'm not the enemy. Oh, the enemy is this guy. Yeah. Please listen to me. Hey, I am not the enemy. Why wouldn't you listen to me? I want to save you from the dangers of the enemy. But I'm not the enemy. Oh, the enemy is this guy. Yeah. Please listen to me. Hey. I'm just an innocent child who wants to find happiness. But my gift bestowed a lot of tasks upon me. If you can listen to me, then I will tell you what I have and unveil the hidden enemy. I am not the enemy. Why wouldn't you listen to me? I want to save you from the dangers of the enemy. But I'm not the enemy. Oh, the enemy is this guy. Yeah. Please listen to me. Hey, I am not the enemy. Why wouldn't you listen to me? I want to save you from the dangers of the enemy. But I'm not the enemy. Oh, the the enemy is this guy. Yeah, please listen to me. Hey. I'm just an innocent child who wants to find happiness, but my gift bestowed a lot of task upon me. If you can listen to me, then I will tell you what I have and unveil the hidden enemy. I am not the enemy. Why won't you listen to me? I want to save you from the dangers of the enemy. But I'm not the enemy. Oh, the enemy is this guy. Yeah, just listen to me.
I can't believe that she didn't show up. Where did she go to?
I am worried too. She has been very stressed and actually thought about running away. I dissuaded her, but I never knew she would still carry out her thoughts.
I guess I pushed her away. That girl has been hurt and lonely. I know she confides in you. Is there something that you know that I do not have an idea of?
Even if she confided some personal things with me, I am not in the position to discuss it with anyone. Not even you. Let's wait for her to return safe and sound. Then we can listen to her. I really hope you were able to put your opinions aside and listen to her.
I have been trying. But Sheila and Angela seems to have a different views. I can't believe one without the other person thinking that I do not trust them.
Then you have to find a balance between your duties to your wife and the other one to your niece. You really have to find that balance. Yes, Angela is too young. She's going through a lot at her age. You are the only one she has. Well, I have confidence she will show up soon.
Let me know if she comes around.
I cannot promise you that. I have to see her first to be sure that you and your wife did not hurt her before she left the house. Yes, if not, I will have to do everything to keep her away from you and your wife. I am really disappointed. Have a good day.
Good day, sir.
How are you?
Sir, please, can I be working as your assistant?
Look worried. What happened to you? Are you okay?
Sir, it's a long story, but I'll be fine if you help me. And if I help you, you have to give me food and money.
Well, as you can see, I can't give you a lot because I don't make a lot of profit here. But how much will you be needing to go home with?
3,000 naira, sir.
Well, that means you have to work like for 1 week. Is that okay with you?
1 week? 1 week? It won't be enough for...
Good day here. Yes, I need a very cold Fanta. Angela, why are you pretending not to know me again? What are you doing here? Where have you been?
I'm trying to save up to go back to the village. And I cannot talk to you now. I need to attend to other customers.
No. You have to talk to me. Because your uncle has been worried sick about you. He has been searching for you all over the town. Looking for you. Where have you been? What are you doing here?
I don't understand. Why would he be looking for me? He should be glad that this witch has finally left his house. He can have any amount of children he has to know that this witch will not be there to kill his children.
Look, I understand your pains. I understand how you are feeling now. But going back to the village is not an option. Do you want to continue with this lifestyle? How will you cope? How can you feed yourself? Do you want to be a school dropout? I know you wouldn't want.
It's better not to be in a good situation than to be killed by my uncle's wife. I was being flogged only in the name of deliverance till I passed out by a man. I am not going back there.
You were flogged? No. This is not fair. This is not fair. Look, listen to me. I want you to pack your things. I want you to speak to your madam now. Pack your things and follow me to my house. You're welcome to my house. I want you to follow me. Let's think about what is going on. Let's put our heads together. You cannot continue like this. Okay?
Really?
Yes. And I want you to do it now. Speak to her or I will speak to her myself. Okay? I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting for you, okay?
So now
Baby, still no signs of her. I can't find her anywhere.
Where could she be?
Oh, goodness God.
We can't possibly say that she went to the village when she had no money with her.
Baby,
so how
it's
would
possible she went to the village. You know, I didn't even think about that. It's possible. She could have gone out there, begged and got some money from people. I mean, who would want to help her with those bruises? She could have told them that she was trying to run away from her uncle who was trying to hurt or rape her. And then they will help her out.
Baby, come on, your words are not encouraging. Why would she even go back to the village? I mean, it doesn't make any sense.
Baby, because of her dead mother's memories.
There's nothing there for her in the village, baby.
Baby, her friends. Think.
Maybe I should just go to the police station and report that Angela is missing because I think she's still within this town.
Can you even listen to yourself talk, baby? So what excuse are you going to give them? I mean, what would you even tell the police that made her to run away in the first place? That we had to flog her until she passed out?
Baby, not we.
We are one.
Well, I'll do anything within my power to make sure she's found, safe and sound. That's the most important thing to me.
You know, after the deliverance, Angela ran away from the house.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Shayla really did it without losing her angelic image.
Yes, you're right. Well, you know, the bad news is that Marcus is not happy about this and he feels guilty. You know, that's why we need to do something about it immediately.
You're right. But how do we get a man that is miserable about his missing niece be generous with money?
You know, Ruth, we don't need to ask for it. We have to get it by force. As I speak to you now, the loan sharks are threatening me. So we have to try as much as we do. We have to make sure we do it on time.
You're right. Tell Shayla I will come to the house to see her.
I'll be on my way right now.
Sit down. I know this is small to be compared to the mansion you are coming from. But you just have to manage with me, okay?
Ma, this is far better than the place I was, the incompleted building I was that almost got ripped.
Oh.
I'm so happy I was untouched.
Shy, you must have been through a lot. Look, I just want you to relax here till we figure out what to do next, okay?
Okay.
Do you want to eat anything?
No. I'm fine.
Okay.
Yes, I want to eat.
What do you want to eat?
Anything. I'm very hungry.
It's okay, don't worry. Let me quickly get water for you. Fix water for you to have your bath.
Okay.
Relax. Drop your bag there at the wardrobe.
Auntie. Actually, thank you so much. You're just like my mother. Without you, I don't know how I will survive in this harsh city. Thank you.
It's nothing, okay? You are my baby. You are just like my kid sister. Listen, I wish I can take away your pains and fears. But I can't do more than this. Because I am just human. I just hope everything will be fine. I just want you to relax yourself. Hope everything will be fine. And I pray so. I want you to stop thinking about anything. Auntie Sarah is here for you. Welcome to my house, my baby. I'm coming.
Baby, I have good news.
What is it this time around? Did you find Angela?
Something close to that. I have this friend of mine who introduced me to a private investigator. Trust me, he is internationally recommended. It's very good, but quite expensive.
So are you trying to say that he's going to find Angela and bring her back to this house?
Maybe he's not just going to find Angela, he's going to bring her back safely. And we're talking about 5 million naira here.
Wow, this is the best news I've heard so far ever since you left this house. I'm going to give you the necessary requirements that you need. I don't have issues with that. 5 million you will get first thing tomorrow morning.
Really?
I'm serious. I mean, I will do anything to find Angela. She's all I've got now.
Don't worry, babe. You know we are family. And I promise you Angela will return back. Okay?
I just hope so.
She will.
Sheila is able to raise that amount of money. That huge amount, 5 million naira. Hi. Now, wow. Well, anyways, I'm happy, or at least we can settle this loan shark disturbing us, threatening to harvest my kidney. Hi. Sheila.
Hey, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
No, you are not. You are not okay. You don't have to pretend to be brave. I know you are hurting inside. Look. It hurts me so much that I cannot take away your pains.
Auntie, you've done enough for me. If not for you, I would have been sleeping outside by now.
Are you sure you don't want to return home? Because I know your uncle loves you so much. He will be miserable looking for you everywhere now.
My uncle loves me, but he doesn't trust me. What is love without trust? That is the only way people hurt those that they love. Lack of love and trust is equal pain.
You are still a young girl, but you speak so wisely. Anyone that has you as a family member is so lucky. Look, I want you to know that Auntie Sarah loves you so much. And I want you to know that you are not alone on this.
Thank you, Auntie.
I want you to calm. Relax. Stop thinking about anything or crying over anything. I am here for you.
Thank you.
Okay? I hope Boniface will not have problem having her here. He hates it when he comes around and has to share my attention with even work. Come to speak of human being. What am I going to do now?
Who is Boniface? I'm sorry, I interfered again.
No, you don't have to. But how did you know the name Boniface? I was just thinking about it now. And
It might sound awkward, but I read people's mind. I hear people's thoughts. My uncle doesn't believe me about it. It was that same ability I used to know what his wife was planning.
wow. Oh my goodness. Are you serious? Oh my God. Look. Can you not read my thoughts again? I want to remain private.
Okay. Well, I'm sorry I read your thoughts.
It's nothing. It's okay.
But maybe if we're together, you shouldn't think about private things again.
Wow. You're amazing. I love that.
Thank you.
Wow. Okay.
So, what are we eating?
She can read your mind and hear what you say.
I think you saw the announcement on the television concerning your disappearance. Right now, your uncle is willing to pay a huge amount of money just to have you home. Do you think you still mean nothing to him?
My uncle is a very rich man. So his pocket will never run dry if he removes 1 million from his bank account. So he's a very rich man.
You know people will be on lookout for you. Because the money we are talking about is a huge amount of money. How will you go out?
Are you not tempted to take the reward? Go ahead. Call my uncle. Tell him that you found me so you could claim the reward.
I won't lie, you. I actually thought about it. But no. But your safety and your well-being is more important to me than the money. I just want you to go home willingly. I don't want to force you. Yes.
Thank you.
Look, if you still don't want to go home, you can be here. Just feel comfortable. But I want you to say, I want to go home. From your heart. Then I'll take you home. Because I am getting scared. Seeing how people are looking for you. Please. I want it to come out from your heart. What do you think?
I don't know.
It's okay. I'm going to give you some time to think about it. Anything you want, I am here for you, okay?
Good day, sir.
How are you?
Fine.
Hey, babe.
Yeah, babe.
I recognize her from...
My love.
I recognize her from the TV and some posters around the city.
Angela, meet my boyfriend.
Oh, this must be the Mr. Boniface, right?
Yes. You recognize him?
Nice to meet you, sir.
Look, I would like you to step out a bit. I want to discuss something with you.
Okay, I'll just go.
It's okay.
What's going on? Where did you find her and why haven't you made the call to claim the prize? Listen, 1 million naira will go a long way in paying for my mother's operation and I will still have some change left in my pocket.
I know what 1 million naira can do for both of us. But what about the child's well-being, her safety? That girl has been through a lot. She almost died. I cannot take her back to people who hurt her just because I want to claim a reward of 1 million naira. It doesn't make any sense to me.
Can you even listen to yourself? Can you hear yourself talk? Listen, you're going to make that call. Else I will make it myself and I will claim the reward.
No, please. Don't do that. Please, I am begging you in the name of God. Don't do that. I just want you to give me some time. Give us some time. I want to fix things with her. I want to know what to do about this whole thing.
My love, I am giving you 3 days. 3 days to do the right thing. Else, I will claim the money myself. You know I can do that, right?
3 days? Just 3 days? No. You can't do this now. Please. That girl is still a small girl. She doesn't know anything.
Are you her mother? No, we are talking about 1 million naira. 1 million naira, for God's sake. Can't you think? We need this money.
I know I'm not her mother. But I feel for her.
You're getting me angry.
Do you want something?
You were not taught how to greet, right?
Greet who exactly? You? The one that touches me without my permission while I'm sleeping. I know everything that happened last night. I know what you were trying to do.
Okay. So, I'm supposed to be scared, right? Think I don't know you like it. You like it? That was why you could not tell her the truth. I know. You came up with some cockroach story. You like it?
The only reason I didn't tell her that is because she will get hurt. She loves you so much And I could not be the reason for her to be sad. I cannot. But if you try this thing again, I promise you, I will tell her and she will end things with you.
You think you're special, little witch. She will not believe you. Yes, she will not believe you. And I will kick you out of this house before you ruin things for me. If not that she shares her salary with me and takes care of my sick mother. Who needs an old hag like her when I can have a young, sweet and fresh skin under mine? I want to have her. I must have her today.
Before you think of doing that thing that's on your mind, let me remind you. My uncle is very rich. Very rich. He can lock you up for raping me.
Do you think I care? You're a kid who ran away from home. Irresponsible. Who would believe you? Nobody.
You know, you're a very bad person. I mean, why will you call her an old hag? She splits her salary into two. She takes care of your sick mother. Why are you so heartless?
And how did you know all of this? Oh, Sarah. Sarah told you, right? I know. She told you.
Why would she tell me? You just called her an old hag in your mind. I know you're up to no good. And I will tell her. She doesn't deserve a man like you. Just take a look at yourself.
Now, listen. Let me tell you. She will not believe you, okay? You're a witch. You just read my mind now. Who are you? None of that even matters right now. You're leaving this house.
Where is she? How could you, Angela? You are so wicked and heartless. Yes, you pretend to be good, but you are wicked. You try to ruin my happiness, Abi?
Me? Ruin your happiness? I don't understand. What are you talking about?
What I am saying is that you came out from the bathroom instead of you to walk straight to the wardrobe to get something reasonable to wear. No! You tried to seduce my boyfriend with your nakedness. Yes! How could you be so wicked?
Auntie, you should know me. I cannot do such thing. I didn't do it. He has been making advances at me. He even tried to rape me this morning, but I revealed him through his mind when he called you an old hag.
Oh, please! How do you expect me to believe this trash that is coming out from your mouth? How do you expect me to believe it after you have tried to ruin your brother's happiness? Yes! So this is my turn. No, it's my turn. You want to ruin my happiness.
Auntie, that's too harsh. You're hurting me with your words. Your boyfriend is not innocent. You have to believe me. I did not do anything.
Oh, please shut up. You did not do anything. Angela, is this how you want to pay me back for all the things that I have done for you? Is this? I thought I am more than a teacher to you. I thought you are my sister. Why are you doing this? Look, I am very angry now. I don't want to do something that will make me to regret later. Leave my presence. Rubbish. No wonder your uncle uncle's wife has been treating me so bad. Wicked soul. Fool. What is this? How come?
I was shocked myself when I saw her pictures on my phone. I don't know she uses my phone to take pictures of herself. Can you imagine the nonsense?
Boniface.
Baby?
Did you consider me a fool? No, I'm asking you.
No.
So, why do you think that I will believe this nonsense that is coming out from your mouth? I don't understand. So, she took this picture while sleeping or what? What are you trying to tell me?
Come on, babe. It's not what you think. It's just curiosity. She means nothing to me, I promise. You're the love of my life.
Leave me alone. Love of which life? No. I want to understand this whole thing. What are you trying to do? I have been working so hard, praying, for you to see how hard I have worked for us to be together. Now you desire a minor Boniface. You even tried to rape her. You lied against this small girl just to have her.
Babe, come on. It's nothing. It's just a minor thing. We've come a long way in this relationship, remember? We can't just end things because of one small girl. Come on, she's not worth it.
Don't even try it. I should be calling police for you now. The reason I am not calling police for you is because of your sick mother. If not, you will sleep in police custody. Now, leave my house. Leave my house and leave my life!
Don't be like
What are you trying to explain to me?
Please, we can sort this out. It's nothing.
Sort what out?
She's a stranger.
Oh, you want to let her get married to me, so you will sleep with my daughter, right?
What are you even saying?
Yes, because she's like my sister and my daughter. Oh, no, Boniface, please, I don't want to talk about this with you. I am done! Check this nonsense. Boniface, I said you leave my house. Okay, want me to call police for you? No, just be here. Let me call police. Where's my phone? Angela, please. My baby, It's okay. I am sorry. I don't want you to leave now. I know that I say all those things out of anger, but forgive me.
It's not your fault. Maybe I'm being cursed.
No.
People I love don't trust me. My uncle, now you. Maybe I'm meant to be alone.
Please, don't say this. I trusted you. I am sorry that I poured my anger on you. It's okay. Just forgive me. I knew you were telling me the truth.
I know you've been nice to me. You've been taking good care of me. But your words really hurt me. I took you as my family and told you my deepest secret, but you used it against me.
Please. I just want you to forgive me. You are like a sister to me. I have actually ended things with Boniface. I have investigated it. You are not telling lies. You are telling me the truth. But all I am saying now is for you to forgive me. Please, don't go. If you leave now, where will you go? You go back to those people that hurt you?
I'll find anywhere to go. I'll just find my way.
So you want to tell me now that you have made up your mind to leave me?
Who want to find happiness but my gift bestowed.
It's fine. I can find my way from here. I won't get lost. You can go.
What are you trying to say? You are going home, really?
Yes. Were you not the one that told me that my uncle can spend any money just to find me? And I'm sure that woman is pretending to search for me, sending people just to get money.
So, what are you trying to say now? Explain things to me.
I have come to the conclusion that if I'm expecting perfection for those I love, I'll keep getting hurt and disappointed. People can be deceived and manipulated, but it's only time that will tell when it's not and when it will.
Go straight to the point. What are you trying to tell me?
I'm trying to say that I have forgiven Uncle and you.
Come here. Thank you so much. Your wisdom is always out of this world, but I will feel reassured if you allow me walk you home.
Oh, okay. And I really want you to get the 1 million naira reward.
You want me to get the 1 million naira?
Yes, you deserve it.
But I did it from my heart.
I know you did it out of your heart. Remember, I'm a mind reader.
Come here. Okay, let's start going.
Okay.
So no secret.
Wow. Wait, is it back in the country?
It looks amazing.
Yes, very nice.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Look at you. You're back. I've missed you. Sarah.
Hi.
You found her.
Yes, I found her.
Yes, she found me. And you should give the reward money to her. And add more because she really took good care of me when I didn't want to come back. She's the reason I'm back here. I respect her a lot.
Wow, that's so sweet. I'm happy that you're back home safe and sound. That's all that matters to me right now. Okay. I don't know what I would have done if something happened to you. I would have been frustrated.
My baby, you know, I am very happy that you're back. It's okay. I'm happy you're back. I bet you did not see the slap coming. My acting deserves an Oscar award. Welcome back to hell.
I see how grateful you are that I'm back.
Yes, I am very happy that you're back.
I hope I see no reason of me leaving this house again.
No. Nobody will give you any reason for you to leave this house. As a matter of fact, I will ensure that you'll be well taken care of, okay? Nobody will make you cry ever again. I promise you that.
You promise?
Listen, I'm promising you with my life. Sarah, come here. I've missed you so much. Sure. Sarah, I want to appreciate you and thank you so much for being there for her and for also taking care of her.
It's okay.
Hello? Your wife is here. I'm here.
I know, honey. So, send me your account number. I'm going to give you your reward money. And I'm going to add something in extra for it.
Wow.
Just take it as a...
I said,
thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
I really
Thank
appreciate
you.
it. Thank you, sir.
I thought you were happy.
yes. But you should know your boundaries, honey.
You should know your auntie. Your auntie is always good.
I am leaving. Be good, okay? See you at school on Monday. Take care of yourself.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye, sir.
All right,
Bye-bye.
Take care.
I'll go and check my
All right.
I want.
No secret, cause she knows what you're thinking.
Yes,
No secret, no secret. She can hear your thoughts. Oh, she's a gifted child.
Uncle, you look happy.
Oh, you noticed? Yes, of course. I'm extremely happy. I mean, having us all together, back as one happy, large family. I mean, it's a good thing. Yeah, I'm happy. We're here again, looking at each other, eating with love. I mean, what would I have done without you all?
Well, I'm happy that you're happy.
Yes, hello? 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 I can't hear you. Hello? I can't really hear you. Hello?
Honey, you look worried. What is it? Who called?
Baby, I think it's probably wrong number because I wasn't really hearing him.
Are you sure?
Maybe it's one of those scammers.
You sure?
Yes, babe.
You kind of look terrified.
No, baby, I'm fine. Trust me.
Okay, it's fine. Enjoy your meal then.
How is this possible? All the money I have been taking from Marcus? You mean Joel has not been paying the debts? Oh my goodness. And now I am being threatened. What happened to the last money I gave him? He needs to start explaining himself. This man is about to ruin everything for me.
She can read your mind and hear what you say.
Get into the car. I'll be dropping you off at school.
You have never offered me a ride to school. You always enjoy me trekking. Am I safe?
Yes, you're safe. And trust me, honey, if I wanted to hurt you, I'll keep you somewhere that nobody would set their eyes on you. Now, this isn't about you. It's about the score I need to make with your uncle. Get your lanky ass into the car.
Can I forget? You're the best Oscar award-winning actress. Nice one.
That reminds me, I got a surprise call yesterday. You've not made payment for the last 2 months. Why? What happened?
I thought I'll be safely out of this country with my baby mama before she discovers everything. Man, this delay wouldn't have happened if not for that crazy agent.
Hello?
I didn't know how to tell you actually. I know how difficult it was for you to raise that money. I was robbed twice, and I tried replacing the money myself before you found out about it. I'm really sorry.
So why didn't you tell me about it?
He's lying. Why are you lying? Eh? Auntie, he's using the money that you gave him to sort out his trip with his baby mama in overseas.
Just shut up your mouth, you small witch. What do you know?
You're not his real love of his life. Oh. He has another person.
Trust me, Angela. Joel cannot do such thing to me, right?
No, I can't.
No, he cannot. And if you continue running your mouth the way you're doing it, trust me, you will live a short life on earth, even though you're destined to do so. Do I make myself clear?
You know what, honey? I think we need to get rid of her permanently. You know, she's using these mind-reading games to manipulate me, to make you hate me. She doesn't want us to be together. It's so clear.
Yes, I understand. But just ignore her.
I know what you're planning. Even your deepest thoughts, she hides all. So no secret, no secret. She has it all. So no secret, no secret. Cause she knows what you're thinking. No secret, no secret. She can hear your thoughts.
Now you tell me, is this your own way of punishing me? I mean, why are you lying? What do you derive in telling lies?
What will I gain from lying to you? Why will I lie to you?
The same question I've been asking myself. That's why I'm asking you now. What is okay? What exactly do you want from me? You want me to end up isolating myself from my closest buddies? You want me to stay away from my families and become lonely and bored? Is that what you want?
Well, I do not have time for that. I wanted to sit and watch him play you. But I was so overjoyed that Kama is at your doorstep. Just like the way you betrayed my uncle. He trusted you. So uncle, you got married to and he trusted you. And also, the man that you're having an affair with is playing you.
Listen, if you 1 inch talk to me like that again, I swear to God, I'm not just going to cut off your ears. I will feed them to the stray dogs. Oh! Are you listen to me? I find that you're lying about all these allegations. I will so deal with you. Now get lost.
I wouldn't have come here to
know what you're planning. Even your deepest thoughts, share it all. So no secret, no secret.
How could Joel do such a thing to you? I mean, you two have been together since school days. When did he have a child?
My dear, I don't know. Seriously, I am as confused as you are. You know, I can't believe this. This fool has been gathering my money all this while, so as to run away with his baby mama and his child. And I had no idea about it.
How did you find out? I mean, such secret is protected with life.
You're right. The little witch I have in my house revealed it. I mean, she was so happy and glad that the person close to me, the closest person to me, betrayed me.
This is unbelievable. After all you did for him, men are indeed scum. What are you going to do now? I mean, if you ask me, I would say you abort the plan and be real with your husband.
No, don't say that. I don't love Marcus and you know it, and I've come too far for me to abort this plan now. No, I'm not going to do that. You know, I think it's time for me to get pregnant again.
My happiness, but my gift bestowed a lot of task upon me. If you can listen to me, then I will tell you what I heard and unveil.
Hey, baby. Hey, darling. Why are you so excited?
I am more than excited. Guess what?
What is it?
I have something for you.
What is that? Are we celebrating something? Why are you so happy?
I'm so happy because I have something to show you.
Okay. Let's see.
So this is from our hospital.
Hospital?
Yes.
What? I'm going to be a father.
That is it. I'm 6 weeks gone.
Baby, I'm so happy. Thank you so much for doing this.
You're welcome.
I'm a lucky guy to have a beautiful girl like you to be my wife.
Thank you, baby.
You're everything and more that I want in a woman. My next word is still going to be my wife. I'm serious about that. And because of that, show you how happy I am. Baby, I'm going to call the lawyer so he can transfer half of my properties to your name. Listen, I'm not just that. I'm going to give you a share in my company so you can be part of the owners.
No, baby, you're joking. No, you're joking.
I mean...
Oh, thank you so much, babe.
You're going to have my child.
Yes.
I'm not praying for tragedy, but I just want to make sure that you and my son will have something to survive with, just in case if anything happens. I don't want you to suffer.
Thank you so much, baby. You know, I think it's time for me to just go inside, prepare something very special for it. Don't keep me waiting.
What do you have in mind?
Inside. Something.
What do you have in mind? Something like...
So we can be able to celebrate this.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll prepare something very special. And I'll be waiting for you inside.
Right after.
I'm coming.
Okay, baby. See ya. Don't keep me waiting.
And unveil the hidden enemy. I am not the enemy. Why won't you listen to me? I want to save you from the dangers of the enemy. But I'm not the enemy. The enemy is disguised.
Do you mind leaving my brain? Or do you want some beatings to recite your brain?
I know you're not pregnant. You're playing him, right?
Something you need to understand. As long as you do not see anything or have any evidence, you cannot stop me.
Yes, I realized that since the time you dealt with me and manipulated my uncle. I watched you do whatever you wanted then. But see now, I won't let you.
You're too small. You just don't get it. You're too small. Just a clap of like this, you're gone. You're as tiny as a mosquito.
If I've learned something, it's to fight for those I love than to allow the manipulators win.
Oh.
I'll do anything in my power to stop you.
Why don't you take yourself out of my sight before I crush you? I need to make a very delicious meal for my husband. Guess what? We're about to do a doggy style.
Thank you so much for having me here.
Well, I should be the one thanking you for coming. I would have loved to see you at your school.
I actually came for us to talk about something.
So, what is it all about? Angela?
Yes, Angela. Mr. Marcos, I understand she must have wanted to talk to you about something, then you discarded her, thinking it's just a childish illusion.
If this refers to her claims as reading people's thoughts, is that real for sure?
Yes, it's real. She has saved me from bad relationship from it. Actually, she has discovered so many things about your wife. I just want you to give her listening ears. Show her that you really care and love her. You'll be surprised that she will open up to you.
Well, I feel disappointed at myself because I should have given her the room to be able to communicate with me effectively. You know, but Sheila, my wife, made it look as if she's a witch.
Witchcraft?
And she wasn't being comfortable around me and I wasn't giving her a listening ear. I feel so stupid for allowing myself to be manipulated.
Please, don't be too hard on yourself. All I want you to do now is just bring her close. Talk to her. She will open up to you. Please.
Oh, Miss Sarah, I really want to appreciate you for always coming through for her and always trying your best to help us in any way we need your assistance. I really do appreciate, okay?
My pleasure, sir. Thank you so much for bringing me here. I appreciate it. Let me allow you to work. I'll be on my way soon.
Do take care of yourself.
You too.
Have a nice day.
I'm just an innocent child who want to find happiness, but my gift bestowed a lot of tasks upon me. If you can listen to me, then I will tell you what I have and unveil the hidden enemy.
I'm so surprised you came to pick me up from school.
Yeah, actually I had to cancel one of my meetings today so I can be able to come pick you up from school. And that's because I also want us to communicate, like we need to talk.
Talk? Did I do something wrong? Am I safe? What is it, Uncle? Oh, there's no problem.
Not quite. There's no problem at all. Just that I felt like we haven't been communicating the way it's expected. You know, for some time now, I understand the fact that you want to talk to me and I don't really pay attention because I understand your special gift. But I believe that if you had pushed harder, maybe I would get to listen to you.
I'm sorry to see this, Uncle, but you're being manipulated by Sheila. That's why I couldn't insist on how much you believe her or trust her.
Listen to me. Going forward, I promise I'll believe everything that you say to me. I really want to believe you badly. But then I can't be punishing someone when I'm not sure of what the person have done.
She's not pregnant. Do you have an evidence that she's pregnant? Okay, why don't you two just go to another hospital and check? Check for another pregnancy test.
If I'm wrong, then the trust is gone. Angela, I need you to understand that marriage is very much complicated. You see, once doubt creeps in a committed marriage, the trust and commitment that bonds it is gone. In as much I want to believe you, I as well want to believe my wife, because I wouldn't want her being suspicious of my trust for her, because she is my wife and I'm married to her. So if you're telling me anything, I expect an evidence as regards to that, knowing full well that it is going to make it easy for me to react or take any action as the man.
Okay then. I'll give you evidence. Since that's what you want. I can't watch her take advantage of you. You're a good man. You deserve someone better. Someone better than her.
As I speak to you right now, Marcus is already making arrangements with his lawyer. He's planning to transfer everything he owns to Sheila. Even the company.
Are you serious? That is huge. Why can't Sheila just stay with this man? Marcus is a good man. Just imagine.
You have to take emotions away from this. Marcus is the hustle here. He's the target. He's the hit, so we don't have to go away from that. That's the fact here.
See, I have always envied Sheila. I wish I have a man like Marcus in my life. A man that is ready to secure your life financially.
Ruth, what has come over you? You have to focus, okay? Or do you plan to snatch Marcus away from Sheila when he leaves? Because I don't understand what you're saying.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What's the plan?
Can you just focus, Ruth? Okay? Sheila has plans of compensating you, okay? If everything is successful.
Okay. I'm sorry. What's the plan?
The plan right now, as I speak to you, once all the transaction has been successfully made, Sheila and I plan to travel abroad and to start a new life there.
Are you sure this man is not going to come for you?
Come for us how? We have planned on undergoing surgery, so definitely we are going on a very new identity. There's no way he will find about us.
Oh, you have it all planned out. You
Yeah.
both have it all planned out.
You see, we've been planning this for a very long time, actually. So it's not today. So that's why I say we need to remain focused.
Whatever you plan, you will not work.
And who's going to stop me? You?
You know, my uncle already knows that you're only after his money. It's better you come clean. Ask for his forgiveness. He's a very kind man.
I see. Well, my husband, your uncle, the man that I married, knows nothing. You know why? Because you do not have any proof to give to him. So, honey, why don't you come make yourself useful inside and stop making noise in my ear, John?
If I have ever learned something from you, you will never tell.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
You know, I'm quite honored to know that at least I inspire you. So why don't you show us what you've learned from me all this while?
Oh, I'll show you.
Good.
I will not just tell, but show you.
Nice.
It's time to tell you. Auntie Sheila, brace yourself.
Let's get out.
I know what you're planning, even your deepest thought.
Why do I feel so uneasy? What is she planning this time?
She has it all, so no secret, cause she knows what you're thinking. No secret.
The four rendered her unconscious. She must have passed through shock. That's exactly what happened to her. Thankfully, no permanent damages. Just minor concussion, and she'll be fine.
Thank God. How about the baby? I hope the baby is not affected by the fall.
Baby? What do you mean by baby? My wife is not pregnant.
Doctor, are you sure of what you're saying, that my wife is not pregnant?
Mr. Marcos, your wife is not pregnant. When she wakes up, she will be able to tell you the truth. I'll take my leave. I'll be on a phone call away, in case if you need me. All right, take care.
The enemy, why wouldn't you listen to me? I want to save you from the dangers of the enemy. But I'm not the enemy, oh. The enemy is disguised. Yeah. Just listen to me. Hey.
Sign the divorce papers. In fact, I should be arresting you for fraud on how you tried to scam me off my properties with a pregnancy pretense. But I wouldn't do that. In fact, I should be pressing my charges. But because of the time we're spent together, I will let it go. So what I need you to do right now is to sign these divorce papers, go in there and pack your things and leave my house.
Baby, he hasn't got into this now. We can just sort this out between. See, I can understand him with this. Baby, please trust me. It wasn't intentional. We can discuss this. Let's go to the room. We can sort it out like husband and wife.
No, listen. No, you don't care.
Baby, listen, we can talk about this. You know, we're couple to couple. We can.
There's nothing to talk about. Listen, you don't care. You practically do not care.
Baby.
What is wrong with you? As a matter of fact, I almost lost my niece because of your manipulation. You have fooled me all this while. That's what you have done. You have done nothing but fooled me and manipulated me. She always wanted to tell me things, but you made sure that I never believed it. Listen, I want you to go in there, pack your things and leave my house.
Please. I'm breaking into the name of God. Please, it was the devil. You remember the last time we got married? I mean, when we got married, there was no issue. We're fine. It all started when she came into the house. It's not me at all. If you ask me what happened to me, I don't know. You remember after our wedding, we were just fine. I think it just started when she came into the house. Everything just switched and changed. Please, I'm begging you.
Listen, it has come to the end of the road for you. All I need you to do is to sign this fucking damn divorce papers so you can leave my house.
Goodbye, Auntie Sheila. How does it feel for this girl to win you in your games? You're very evil. You don't deserve my uncle. My uncle deserves someone better than you.
Baby.
I hope we don't see it again.
Baby, let's stop this.
What do you want to do? Do you want to hurt her? Have you not done enough?
Baby, let's talk about baby, please, Amir, let's talk about this, baby.
I believe that we are friends now, so you can call me Marcos.
If it's okay by you, then I will call you Mr. Marcos.
That's right.
Mr. Marcos, how do you feel? You just ended everything with a woman you planned to spend the rest of your life with. I know it's not going to be easy for you.
To be honest with you, it hasn't been easy. It's sad, but I'm jubilated. You know, Sheila was full of nothing but lies. She has done nothing but have manipulated me and lied to me so many times. But it's fine. Thank you for always been there. I must say that you're a very good friend.
It's okay. I didn't do anything. I am glad we have a gifted child like Angel here. Yeah, she has been of a great help. She's amazing.
Angela, thank you for everything as well. In fact, God knows why you came into my life. Well, it will be safe for me to say that you have taken a strong disaster away from me.
Well, Uncle, I'm happy that the evil one has left this place. And also, I want to say thank you for trusting me. Also, I'm sorry I used the violet part. Just that I found out that there was no other way to prove to you that she wasn't pregnant.
Well, that's fine. And I'm happy and thank God that nothing happened to her and the truth was found.
Exactly.
Going forward, Sarah, you know you're a very beautiful girl. In fact, you're a girl that any man would fall head over heels. And I want to use this opportunity to tell you that I would like to take this friendship to another level, but only if you would permit it.
Say yes, say yes, say yes, say
yes.
You're welcome.
Well, okay, I'm jealous. Can I have my own work right now?
So no secret, cause she knows what you're thinking. No secret, she can hear your thoughts. Oh, she's a gifted child. Oh. She can read your mind and hear what you say. Even your tiniest whisper, she hears it all.